In this video, we will look at how Salesforce admins use declarative tools to configure the user interface. Let us begin. We'll start with the app launcher. The 9 dots here on the top left, if you click on them, it is going to open the app launcher. It shows all the apps, items or objects built within your Salesforce instance. Now remember this order here, Sales Service Developer Edition. This order can be configured and we do that in the app menu. So in the Salesforce setup, if you enter app menu, here you set the default order of the apps in the app launcher. Right now it is Sales Service and Developer Edition. Maybe I take Developer Edition on the top, then Service and then Sales. Let us refresh the page and see if the changes are reflected. Click on the app launcher and you'll see that now we have Developer Edition on the top, Service and Sales below it. Now let us go to the App Manager. This is where you have access to all of the apps in your Salesforce org, and we can come here if we want to edit them. Say we want to edit the Sales app. So Sales Lightning, click on Edit. Here you can add an image for the logo, what are the app options, what are the navigation items, home opportunities, leads. You can remove some of them, add a few, reorder. Say I want to take accounts just before the opportunities and contacts on the top here. I click on Save. Now if you go back and refresh the page, you will see that the order of the navigation items, it appears here. So this top horizontal bar here is called the navigation bar. It is like a bookmark on your Salesforce front end. This can be customized and you can add or remove items from here by just editing the navigation items. The most important one is the Lightning App Builder. So in the quick find box, when you enter Lightning App Builder, click on New, and this is where the app is built. These apps are found in the App Manager and these are organized and visualized in the app launcher. We can create app page, home page or the record page from the Lightning App Builder. Let us say we want to create a record page. It is for the account record. Object obviously is the account. Click on Next. Here we select the template, how you want it to be structured. Done. On the left you have the components which you can drag and drop and configure. Say I want the highlights panel here on the top. There is one list view. Then I can search here. Maybe I want a related list here and maybe activities in the third column. So in the Lightning App Builder, you can set the component visibility. When do you want these specific components to be visible? What are the conditions? You can set it by adding the filters here. We will now look at the actions. From your Sales app, open maybe if you have cases. Click on one of the case. On the right corner, we have edit, delete, change owner, and if you click this drop down here, we have even more. Now these are called the actions. Okay. We also have global actions. Here on the top, if you click on this plus sign, you will see that these are the global actions. Now global actions, they are available from anywhere in Salesforce. You need not be on a specific record or a specific page to create that global action. Now I want to show you the user interface settings. So in the quick find box, click on user interface. Right at the bottom, click on user interface and these are the settings. Okay. So from exam point of view, from the certification point of view, it is important you go through all of these and understand what they mean. Now let us see what are the list views. List views, they help users find and manage records. So Now this list has all opportunities, closing next month, this month, my opportunities, private, won, lost, and all these things here. So this is called the list view. It is different list of records. So if you go to all opportunities, you can see you can add filters, you can add charts for visual overview. You can select the way it should be displayed. So that is here. This is a table. You can have it as a Kanban board, or you can have it as a split view. Let's go back to the table. This is where you have the sharing settings. Now who can see this list view? You can also select what fields are displayed, and it is here. Okay, select fields to display. That's it for part 2 of configuration and setup. If you would like separate detailed videos on any of these topics, for instance just the list views or Lightning App Builder, let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.